Hey Lord of the Rings and Hobbit fans, welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to show you the Smaug miniature, the Magnificent statue made by Weta. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's get right into it. So here's the box of the Smaug, the Magnificent from the Hobbit. I'll show you all the way around here of the box first. Magnificent. Very cool box. And I'll open this and I'll show you what it looks like. So here it is, guys. Here is Smaug out of the box. Very, very nice. Very cool piece. Like how they wrap the wing around that pillar, around that stone there. Very cool. See if we can get a close up of his face here. Let's see how, look at that. Just so much detail in this too. That's cool. Okay, show you the light there. Very cool piece. Let's see what it looks like from the front. Just a beautiful piece. And then I'll show you here. Grab it from this way here. Be careful with him. He is pretty fragile too, so. Especially in the wings there, pretty fragile, and the tail, or no, not the tail, it's down on the bottom here. Show you the tail here. Very cool. This is just awesome, guys. I like this a lot. Very awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Love the detail on this. So cool. Like, comment, subscribe. Have a great day.